In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change your payment method for NFL Sunday ticket. Let's get started. Since NFL Sunday ticket billing goes through Google, open your preferred browser and navigate to the website pay.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account that has your NFL Sunday ticket subscription. Now here you're going to find the option Add Payment Method. You'll need to click on it. Here you will see your saved credit cards, debit cards or PayPal accounts. Click Add Payment Method to add a new card or PayPal, or select an existing one and click Edit to update details like expiration date or billing address. Now fill out this. Type in your card number, date, card holder name and billing address. Once you fill out these, click on Save. Once a new payment is added, click Set as default. This ensures all future charges for NFL Sunday ticket use your updated payment method. Now open youtube.com/paid_membership or the YouTube TV app. Under NFL Sunday ticket, confirm that your subscription is still active and linked to the new payment method. With this, your payment details will be updated. And that's it. That's how you can change your payment method for NFL Sunday ticket. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.